Okay, we are live. All right. So update. Oh shoot, I have to do my Friday. I have to do the recap of Friday. I didn't do that yet. 1 second. All right, we're back. There we go. Sorry about that. So update. One, I have to do my trade recaps. I have one loss at two break evens on Friday. But two, I've decided to go with a little bit of something different. I am going with technically with two what do you call those? Funded accounts. So I got two alpha futures accounts, and I'll be trading those probably for about a month until I pass them. You can see here. Maybe I shouldn't be showing you that, but a 50K account live, and I have two of them, as you can see there. So yeah, I'll be trading that for the next couple days, next couple weeks. Until I feel like I don't want to be trading it anymore. I'll go back to life. Maybe. I just felt as though I wanted to do that. No real rhyme or reason. Well, there is a rhyme or reason. I just didn't want to trade my life capital right now. Because I want to. I can't trade the way how I want to trade. With my live capital, like I'm not even risking 1% per trade, so it's kind of like I don't want to do that. Versus here, it's easy to risk 1%. So yeah, damn, no, I do not want to do that. Where's our 400 bucks? 400 bucks. Oh my god. I'm a little confused here, to be quite honest with you. Let me put this at 25. Let me put it. Alright, I'm a little confused here. So if I do this, that's 50 ticks. So I should pretty much have this at 50. Oh shoot, that's why. Alright, that makes sense. This is 50. This is usually going to be about 200. 150. Something like that. That makes a lot more sense. And now it's a 2. What? Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So let's put that at like 10. Okay, that's still too low. Let's do 15. That'll work. Alright, cool. Got it. Got it. Okay, cool. So I'll be doing something like that. 15, 16, somewhere in there. For stop placements and whatnot. But anyways, let's kind of break it down. What we're looking at. We had obviously this massive sell off on Friday. From a weekly perspective, I really don't know what's going on. Don't know. Sorry, from a daily perspective, I don't know what's going on. We did just take out a whole bunch of liquidity dating back about a month. I think we do have room to go lower. I don't know if we will. I do think we will keep going up, to be quite honest with you. We have a lot of equals down there. Once we get into this region, then I'm like, all right, yeah, let's buy. But I mean, looking at price action, there's really only one place we can go, right? Which is, if we're looking at this on an hour chart, let me go 4 hour real quick. 4 hour doesn't really tell us anything except we just reacted to this 4 hour FEG. But on the hour, it kind of shows us that we have a lot of room. We got from here to here, a lot of room for us to go lower before we have to make a decision. Now, what I'm looking at right now on the hour chart, this is a long ways away, so let's not really focus on it. But what I'm looking at right now on the hour chart is we kind of swept it slow, and now we're pushing. Well, we pushed higher. Since we're reacting to something, could be equal highs, something in that region, right? So we took out these equal highs, not quite London high. Let me mark that out. Again, I always prefer for London high to get taken before any London high or London low to get taken before doing anything. Just kind of how I'm hardwired, I guess. We did take out this, which is Asia low, midnight open. This is looking interesting because now this is starting to look like it might be an order block in the next 2 minutes if we close below it. All right, the next 30 seconds. Sorry, minute 30. So I'll put this as an OB. All right, 15-minute OB. Yeah, I'll kind of know where that is. This does look like we came in, we swept some form of equal highs in here. All right. Yeah, all these equals in here gone. This looks like we will be pushing from here down. I am a little interested to see where this is taking us. Yeah, pretty much right at the open of this candle. So I'm leaning bearish right now. Leaning bearish. This is 9 o'clock, 9:20. So 9:20 kind of swept these equal highs. We push lower. We'll see, man. We'll see. Today I'm gonna be very patient. Very patient. If I miss a trade today, then I miss a trade today, because with how price kind of delivered, it was a bit weird, and I don't quite like it. All right, it's already 9:30, so we're kind of delivering away. So right, so now we're definitely below. So what I would want to see happen, especially from a 15-minute perspective, right, is price come in to this order block, this 15-minute order block. So if we close like this, great, love it. But then I want price to give me a wick to come into this 15-minute order block, and then from there I look for us to roll over. And I mean, just really roll over. So it doesn't look like we want to go tap into it, but we'll see. Oh wait. Oh, we've got. It's only till 9:45. Sorry about that. Got my numbers. Yeah, it's still a 5-minute. Is it clean on the 5 or the 15? Dude, I think it's clean on. I think it's clean on both. All right. Well, since it's clean on both, I think I'm gonna do this as a. I'll leave this. I'm gonna leave this as the 5-minute for today. Yeah. Okay, let me go a little bit bigger. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna leave that as a 5-minute. This one obviously is gonna be the one. And let's just see what we got going on. So I will say this, as of right now, I am bearish for the day. I am bearish for the day until I'm bearish until we pretty much come into this big gap. That's what I'm looking for. Once we come into that gap, though, everything changes from there. Now I need to also analyze this, right? Let me go on the 15-minute real quick. Why do I need to analyze this? Well, we did just kind of, wick these equal lows in here. Which is 7 a.m. lows. We did wick them, so you need to be cognizant of the fact that we wick them. But yeah. So be cognizant. Let me see where Asia low is actually. 1 second. Let me see where Asia low is. It's 12 a.m. Okay, so it's 12 o'clock. Asia low is 8 p.m. So let me just kind of find where that's at. So in here, here's Asia low. In there roughly, just kind of a little bit cleaner. Yeah, so 806 is Asia low. All right, just wanted to get that. Oh, shucks. Just wanted to get that situated. Okay, so we did sweep Asia low already. Okay, cool. This might be the reaction we're looking for. Kind of just wants to top it. Because once we top it, we'd be. Oh, technically we did just come into that FEG. There is that as well, but there's nothing. There's no trade there. All right. There's no trade there at all. Oh, it looks interesting. Bennett. What I want to see is the reaction in this area, right? I want to see what it does once it tops this. There we go. So I want to see what happens here on this 5-minute and ultimately 15-minute Oh well, the 15-minute isn't there anymore, right? Remember, the 15-minute isn't there anymore. Isn't that interesting? Took sell side and we took buy side, so it's a I don't know what the hell's going on right now. That's what it is. We took sell side, we took buy side. I don't have a clue what's going on. I'm not trading off of this, but I just want to see, is this getting a reaction? Oh, we broke above it, technically. Okay. Still have 40 seconds to close below. 20 seconds to close below, sorry. But I don't think we do that. So, and there's so much opportunities. There's so much going on sell side, right? But we're still bullish. As much as it pains me to say it, we are still bullish. Based off the 5-minute, this is an entry, but it doesn't make sense. Alright. Why does it make sense? We're not closing lower. We're wicking lower. On multiple occasions. Wick lower. Wick lower. Wick lower. Does look like we pushed higher to take liquidity to push lower, but we're failing. It's not looking too good, bruv. But I will say, on a 5-minute, this looks bearish, but on a 15, alright, on a 15, we look very bearish. Oh, sorry, very bullish. Right, pushing higher, come down, sweep liquidity again. There's no indication right now that we want to go bearish. But I think both opportunities are there. But I do think bullish is probably the correct way. Let me change back to 15. Doesn't matter where do we go bullish from. That's what it comes down to. That one candle close has just indicated to me that I think we're bullish. If I was a betting man, we would do something like this. Target high. Just trying to figure out how this works, right? It's pretty much all it is. Just trying to figure that out. Why is it that when I go limit, how is that? If I go 6, yo, this thing is spooky, bro. Oh, it's on limit, but when I do, I don't know. It's confusing me. Oh, that would have been a break-even trade. So that would have been pretty good, actually.
You're not on yet. Don't close the door. Don't close in the door. Oh.
Yeah, I think we're bullish. I think I probably should have taken this one. What is it? Yeah, should have got in. Oh well, shoulda, woulda, coulda. You know, it is what it is. This would have been the entry here, pretty much. Would have been break even. But yeah, not the best conditions, to be honest. I mean, as of right now, no liquidity. No, no buy side has been taken, so. It's telling me to wait till 10 o'clock. That's what it's telling me to do. Just wait till 10 o'clock. I would like to see from 10 o'clock is us come a little bit lower, possibly take out this, give me some form of an inverse, and then, yeah, bullish target for sure. Damn, this trade's looking more and more. It's a very strong candle. Nothing I can do. Not a thing. Sell my hands and wait it out. Trust me, I do think we're bullish still. It's just a matter of I want us to come a little bit lower. You know, maybe into here. This FEG. Then we can look for longs to probably the London highs where I would target. I think that makes the most sense. But yeah, still bullish. Saw this like a reaction to this FEG. Let me just draw that in. Right. I mean, order flow is intact, right? Would like for it not to close. I would like for this to stay open. Would like for that to stay open. And it closes itself. Lovely. Just what you want. Just what you want. Well, there that goes. And you can pretty much do the same thing here again, like that. Target D, very small 1.5R, not something I would take. If I did create a limit, let's go with 5. Oh my god, I hate that. Let's go with 5. 7, 8, 9. We'll go with 9 there. That's how I would do it. Oh, now I genuinely need to think. Because this is telling me to sell. If we close below, this is telling me to sell. Which I don't really want to do, but... Oh, there you go. Close it above, that's fine. Yeah, shucks. Close in. I'm just confused why this is so low. Wait, what? Crazy. This would have gone all the way pretty much. Not something I'm going to take. I'm confused. How is this changing like that? What the hell? I don't know. As time goes on, this is looking more and more bearish. Well, we'll see in the next minute and 30 what happens. I need liquidity, man. Hmm. What I would, what would be cool to see, though I'm not sure it will happen, is us come into this FEG. Well, now it's closed, so take that back. But for us to come into this FEG, take out this sell side, and then go higher. That would be nice. Because it looks like we're starting to build liquidity. So something like this. This inverse is not something I'd take. And this one, how many taps? 1, 2, 3, 4 taps on it. Not worth it. However, what would be worth it is now we're coming into this 15-minute FEG. We get this nice little reaction from here. Take this on up to there. That'd be pretty great, but we'll see. There's no way I'm taking this either. This one, invalid. 20 taps, man. This one isn't bad though. This one ain't bad. Break even for this one's pretty quick too, right here. Less rounding over. It's not looking too hot for me. Whoa. Okay. Well, I guess I was wrong. Still, there's no trades here. No sell side trades. That's over with. Okay. Hmm. Definitely not something I'm looking to hop in. Oh boy. Why are you doing this to me? Reaction. the hell is this at 80? What the hell? God damn it. Okay. Oh, that's a pretty good. What the hell's going on? I'm literally stuck between the two. Yeah, man. Now I'm all confused. Feel like I should take this, but I don't. I'm confused, man. And I'm confused with how Price is delivering. That's really what I'm confused about. The delivery of Price. I still feel like I should buy it though. Just confused by price today, man. That's all it was. Confused by price. Just confused by price. I was bamboozled today. But that's what price is supposed to do, right? It's supposed to bamboozle you. So, I think it did a pretty good job, to be honest. Did a damn good job, actually. I wish I was on the 5 minute. If I was on the 5 minute, I probably would have taken this, actually. Would have been out break even, but. 5 minute shows much better order flow. Low, sweep the highs, push higher, come back into the 50% of this range. Oh my god, this is actually a really good trade. Look at how we respect that 50%. Man, that's a really good trade. Yeah, I messed that one up. I messed that one up bad. Oh well. Yeah, I messed that one up bad. I mean, I'm doing that as first take profit, but I'm going. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I wouldn't even target that anymore, to be honest. I just come here, target that. Yeah, I'm gonna call that a day. I don't know why I didn't take this. I don't know why. I was being a bit of a pansy. But yeah. Oh well, is what it is. Apparently today's a holiday as well, so yeah, it is what it is. All right, I am going to be signing off. I think maybe kind of all over the place. Yeah, I'm gonna be signing off. What the hell is this reacting to? Jeez. That's aggressive. So I would have had a partial, but that's about it. Whoa. Today was a confusing day, to say the least. Best trade was this one that I missed. So it's this one right here. Have my stop below the body, and I was targeting this. That's the one that I missed today. No trades on the sell side. The other one that I missed was this, which technically would have been break even by now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm gonna sign out. I don't want to take anything else right now. Very confusing price today. So yeah. Alright then. Have a good day.